Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicolah. If you are new, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for being here. And if you're old, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is another unboxing. If you watched my previous unboxing video, I talked about being so excited to jump back into all of my makeup and glam and skincare subscriptions that I had going on last year. So one of the things that I was a religious subscriber to was the IPSY company. IPSY is a makeup or glam, I don't want to say makeup because they do include a lot of skincare. They're just a glam subscription company, and where you pay $10 a month, and with each month you get 5 sample to full-size products. Each person receives slightly different things because they try to customize it as best as possible. So when you sign up, you tell them things like your hair color, your eye color, what kind of skin you have, how comfortable on a scale are you with makeup, and any other kind of information they would need to make your glam bag as personal as possible. So I got back onto my IPSY subscription and I have the March bag right here. So let's open this up. So when you do get your glam bag in the mail, it comes in this nice foiled pink packaging with like your address and everything on the other side, and I love seeing these packaging. This is how this month's bag comes. It is IPSY's first DIY bag, so included with the products you got this month, you also got a set of markers that you can color the bag, so I'm really excited for that. The markers that I got this month are pink and blue, which I love each of these colors, so I will be coloring in this bag once this video is done. Alright, so like I said, you get 5 sample to full-size products. So I got 5 products this month. Also, if you see me looking down at my phone, it's because I have the IPSY app loaded so I can tell you guys more information about the products that I got. So the first product that I got in this bag is from Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics, and it is a baked highlighter. So the color I got my highlighter in, or my baked highlighter, is Soda Pop. So this is how it swatches, and bitch, this is like a rose gold highlighter. Like, this is completely gorgeous. So I'm really excited to try this, and also it's very soft and buttery. And guys, look, man, look at this, bitch. Oh. The second item I got in this bag is a skincare item, and it is from Sephora, the brand Sephora, and it is a triple action facial exfoliant. Oh, so it has salicylic acid in it. I'm not sure if my skin likes salicylic acid, so a little nervous to try this. And it also is combined with physical exfoliation from Bamboo, along with a deep cleansing mask action from Kaolin Clay. Kaolin K-A-O-L-I-N Clay. Somebody tell me how to pronounce that. Triple action exfoliator leaves the skin glowing and hydrated without the tightness, stinging, or irritation that many other exfoliants leave behind. So this description sounds really nice. The only thing that I am genuinely worried about is the salicylic acid, because I did try a face wash that had a percentage around the same percent. This says it has 4.3%. The facial wash that I tried with the salicylic acid in it had 4%, and my skin bugged the F out. So the fact that this has 4.3, I'm a little nervous, but I'm definitely gonna try it and let you guys know how it pans out. Okay, so this is a sample sized product, and it is from Tarte Cosmetics, and it is their Sexy Kitten eyeliner. So some of you might have figured out already that I never use any other eyeliner but liquid eyeliner. So eyeliners like this, I'm not sure, I don't even think I know how to use them, to be honest, because when I first started even using makeup, the first makeup item I got the chance to play around with was liquid eyeliner. So unlike a lot of people, I started at liquid eyeliner. I didn't build my way up with a felt tip, or I just started there and always stayed there. So this is how the product looks, and this is how much product you get. So it starts here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It starts here and it goes up to here. This is as much product as you're gonna get with this. That's it. Yep, that's it. Okay, all right. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna use this, to be honest. I think I might give this to a friend or something, because these eyeliners, I feel like they smudge on my eyes. I never put any eyeliner on my waterline, maybe mascara, but definitely not eyeliner. I feel like I look like a raccoon. Like, no matter how I put it on, no matter how careful I am, I feel like I look like a raccoon. So I'm probably gonna give this to a friend or something. I'm just keeping it real, y'all. You know, not everything in this bag I'm about to use and I'm excited for, okay? Like this, nobody gonna use this. See, now this I'm excited for. So this is from Rodial or Rodial. I don't know how you pronounce it. I've never heard of this brand, but I think it's Rodial. So Rodial, it's their Glamour Brow in dark ash brown. Ooh. So it is an eyebrow pencil, and what's cool about it is that it comes with a spoolie on one end and a cap for the spoolie. So I'm already really hype about this. The color I got mine in is dark ash brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, so I love that you don't have to sharpen it. It's a twist without wasting too much. All right, so this is definitely an ashy brown. I've never tried an ashy brown on my eyes. I either go super dark or like a reddish kind of brown, as you guys can see in my other tutorials, but this would definitely be something that I'm not even opposed to right now. Just this cap, and it comes with a spoolie. Like, I love makeup or like brow products that come with a spoolie. I love it. So the last item I got is from Dose, and it is a singlet eyeshadow color, and it is their Free Matic eyeshadow mono in Lola or Ariana. The color I ended up getting mine in is Lola. So as you can see, Lola is definitely like a purplish. Oh, okay, so this is the box, y'all, and you see how big this box is. I thought that I was getting this amount of product. What am I supposed to do with this? Like, I mean, I'm happy I got the color, but I've gotten eyeshadow singlets from IPSY before, and they definitely were not this small, so this is different, but okay. It's nonetheless, it's a really pretty color with some rose gold, blue, and it has some weird undertones, but it's gorgeous. Well, it's so damn small. So my lights might be washing it out, but hopefully you can see there's some sparkle, and it has some really nice undertones. I flung the whole thing out of this. You see what I'm saying? This thing is too small, IPSY, like, whatever. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys to see how the color comes out. It feels super buttery, super soft. So I'm excited to see how this looks. Okay, so here it is. It's okay. Not like wowzers. This, you see right here? It's not like wowzers, but it's definitely nice, and I can see myself using it for something, but oh wow, I can't even get it to stay in. Wow. It's definitely a color that I could use. I'm kind of curious to see how the other color option that IPSY offered, Ariana, looks, because, you know, it's not like anything wowzers. It's definitely a pretty color, but it's nothing to die for. So I'm really interested to see how the other color looks, but nonetheless, I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it pans out. So out of this month's bag, there are some things that just didn't impress me, or it doesn't have me like, you know, dying to try. This Dose Colors eyeshadow singlet, I mean, I'm gonna try it, but I'm not like super excited. And then this eyeliner sample from Tarte, I'm probably just gonna give this away. I'm definitely not gonna use this. But the eyebrow pencil, the skin exfoliation, and the highlighter, those three items I am really excited to try. So I give this bag an overall rating of like a 7.5. Make sure to check the description box to see the links to all of these individual items. Also, if you're interested in starting your own glam bag subscription, I will have a link down in the description box for you guys to go ahead, and you will start off with 250 glam points. Check the description box below for the link. All right, guys, and that's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share with your peeps, and until next time, peace. All right, your girl is done. We're done. We're done.